Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to configure and use put in pack feature in Odoo 90 for delivery orders. This feature helps warehouse teams organize products into packages before validating the delivery. And this makes shipment easier to manage and improves the overall warehouse efficiency. So without much further ado, let's get started. So let's go to the inventory app in the configurations and settings. Under this operation section, make sure that your packages is enabled. After you enable this, don't forget to click on Save. So this activates the package management and allows you to group products into packages. So we can do this during the inventory operations such as delivery orders, receipts, or even internal transfers. So next we can go to package types. As you can see, I've already created a package type that is box. You can create different package types such as cartons, pallets, etc. And you can also define their dimensions, their maximum weight, their capacity. You can even assign barcodes to them. Okay, so this is about package types. Now let's go to the operation types. In this video, I'll be showing you for delivery orders. So let's open delivery order. And over here, you can see a set package option. So you have to enable this. Now the difference between package type and package is that package types are like boxes, cartons, etc. And a package will be box 1, box 2, carton 1, carton 2, such as. Okay, so if you enable this, you will be able to select the package type while you click on the put and pack option in the delivery order. Without this, you can only select the package. Okay, so you will understand it better once you see it in an example. Let's go to operations and create a delivery order. Let's click on new. You can create it directly from a sale order, but here, for the sake of the demo, I'm just creating a direct delivery order. I'm going to add a dining table and the chair. Now, before you click on validate, you have to put them in pack. So let's click here. If required, you can select a package type, for example, box, which we created earlier. If you want, you can select any existing package, and if you leave it empty, it will create a new package. So I'm going to create a new one. So let's click on put in pack. Now, as you can see, all of the products that were in the delivery order are put in the same pack. If you want them to be in separate packages, you can click on details. Now over here, you can change this to a different package. Okay, there is also another option, that is the chair quantity is 2. Now, if you want both of them to be in separate packages, you can just click on add a line. Select your stock and a package. I'm going to put it in 1. I'm going to change the quantity here as 1 and 1. Now let's click on save. Now all of the products in our delivery order have been put in packages. So now we can click on validate. Now let's print the delivery order. As you can see here, in the delivery order, you can see all of the packages that has been assigned to the respective products. And over here, you can see your packages smart buttons, and this allows us to view all of the packaging details. So let's click on it. So you can see here what is the package type, to which package it is assigned. And if you click on view, you can see all of the products that is inside this particular package. To view all of these packages, let's go to products, packages. And you can see here all of the available packages. And once you click this, you can see all of the products inside of this package. So that's how you configure and use the put in pack feature in Odoo 90 to organize products, simplify warehouse operation, and streamline delivery management. This same process applies to the rest of the operations as well. For example, if you're taking receipt, just create a new receipt. For example, from a vendor, I'm going to add a product. Make sure that you put this in pack before you click on validate. And it follows the same process as in delivery orders. So that's it about put in pack. I hope the concept is clear to you. So see you in the next one.